Up until now we have watched some creative ways to cook a chicken. As reference we have slow cooked honey garlic chicken by Cooking with Claudia. Then muffly chicken handy by Spice Eats. Then a chicken biryani cooking. Also perfect chicken Manchurian by Taste Show. This a very good and popular recipe among us. But today I'm gonna show you one of the best and a very easy way to make crackpot chicken only with 5 ingredients, and I have a bonus tip at the end. So watch till the end and enjoy. As you can see, this are the 5 ingredients I talked before. For cooking I'm taking a huge crackpot and starting to spray oil in the bottom and the sides. I'm using chicken drums, but you can use any piece you like. Don't place them on top of another, just put them side by side. I'm about to finish placing the drums. Cracking some black pepper on top of the drums. Also adding some spices too. Now in another pot I started adding my honey, then some ketchup and little bit of soy sauce. I'm taking my whisk and mixing them all together. Then I take some garlic and after crushing it I safely take them from the crusher by using a knife's back and whisking it again and starts pouring on the drums. If you cook this in high heat then cook for 4 hours, but in medium heat cook for 6 hours. I'm setting it for 4 hours. Time is up and let's look at this. Okay. Let's take a juicy drum. Oh, just look at this. Putting it on rice. Now chopping some green onions and added them to the dish for garnish. Also adding some gravy and sprinkling some sesame seeds on top. Now here is the bonus pro tip. You can put the gravy in fridge and use it any dish you want. Finally, let's eat. Why not like this video and subscribe to my channel and ask me anything in the comments.